Good? It's a beautiful morning out here on the river. The flow is only around 4,300, at least that's what it was last night. So when we get down below the bridge, it might get rough with the rocks and all. But we're gonna give it a go, see what we can do. We're gonna start off with some top water. I'm hoping they're gonna be a little more aggressive. It's getting cooler. It was 59 degrees this morning. So we're gonna see what we can do, guys. So stick around. Whoa. I touched the rock I didn't see there. Whoa, going over a rock right now, I didn't know. It lifted me up all of a sudden. I'm like, oh, didn't see that one coming. Huh? Yeah. Oh, one just hit. Get it again. Got it. Yeah. First fish on.
Smallmouth.
Yeah. Oh, it's probably a
Smallmouth.
Oh.
No, it's not a smallmouth, is it? Is it? No.
Nah.
I don't think so. It's on the board.
He hit it twice though.
That's right.
All right, guys. Little largemouth bass right here. Number one, but hey, on top water, so it might be a good day. We're gonna let him go. Oh yeah, yeah. All right. All right, another little largemouth here. tiny, but they're hitting. Yeah. What? You lost your paddle? I see it. Wait. It's right there, right? Jeremy, is that it right there going this way? I know, I see it.
leashed in, and as I was trying to get through, it just whoop.
Would you like your paddle back, Jeremy?
I would love it. Oh, you're so lost without it.
Oh my gosh, I know, dude.
Man,
Especially on this river, dude, right?
Yeah. And grab your go.
It's all about your steps, man. Footing. Alright, I'm getting in. I'm free, I think. Whoa! Whoa, he's a dandy! Yeah, baby! Woo! Hey, I need you to help me with a picture of this, Jeremy. Boy, he's heavy. The whopper plopper. Yeah, baby. Look at that, guys. My first South Carolina smallmouth right here. He nailed that whopper plopper, baby. Woohoo, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I came for. That's what I came for right here. Awesome. Awesome. That completes my South Carolina black bass slam right here. Last time I couldn't do it, but he hammered that plopper, man. Woohoo, yes. Gotta get some pics here real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Got another one, guys. Little guy, he hit the Cinco, slammed it. All right. Beautiful fish. How's that for a little bitty largemouth? Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Got a little bitty guy. Gee whiz. Oh, golly. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, boy. Woo, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Woo, yeah. Woo. Yes. Yeah, baby. Look at that Smalley. Yes. He just hammered that crankbait. I mean, wow. Woo! Look at that. Man, oh man. These things fight for all they're worth, man. This is awesome. Awesome. Yes. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he got off. Oh. That was another Smalley on the crankbait. He got off. Woohoo! That's a little nerve-wracking, but it's fun. I hit a rock on the side. Oh, boom! He just nailed it. Golly! All right, itty bitty one here, but hey, another one. Hey guys, it's been a long day. Just got back and unloading everything from the Augusta Shoals. Did the Savannah River this morning with my buddy Sauceman. You can check his channel out. But yeah, we did good. I got my smallmouth that I needed for the South Carolina Black Bass Slam. So I got a couple of them, actually, some nice ones. That was a lot of fun. So yeah, it was a good trip. So thanks for watching. Give me some comments, hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.